don't know what's down here. It said Quanah Parker Lake Educational Center or something. Just gonna drive around, be a looky-loo. Oh, they got drinking water over there. Looks like somebody lives here. I don't know. I don't know. Is this a campground? Little view of the lake. We'll walk over there. I don't know what this place is. I don't know if this is a campground or what, but these are kind of some nice spots if you can camp here. It's like a little walking trail. Pretty nice spot if you want to fish, looks like. Okie wanted to get out and look around. Nice building. Oh, this is a trailhead, looks like. Let's go look at that. Wichita Wildlife Refuge. It says enter over there, but that looks closed. That looks closed. Here's the sign. Environmental Education Complex. Bridge to camp doors, environmental classroom, classroom education, there's a fishing pier, outdoor classroom and bird blind, law enforcement. All right. But it definitely looks closed today. We'll go check out this fishing dock or whatever it is over here. Environmental Education Center Trail, length 0.1 mile, one way, difficulty easy. Sounds like right up my alley. Another warning sign. No, I'm not prepared. But we're just gonna walk down here to the dock. Maybe I'll get to see a painted bunny in the wild. Not just my room. Yeah, painted bunny. You know, if I had never noticed this online before people posting them, I probably would have thought that bird was fake. Or AI. They're so pretty, colorful. But they're not out today. Let me know if you see one. Oh, there's another trail in there. The belted kingfisher. Probably not going to see much today. Nice dog up here though. There's some ducks. They blend in with the water, you can't see them. It's chilly on this water. See the duck. It's very hard to see. It's cold, but I'm having fun. I'm trying to make the most of it. Nice little walkway. I like this tree. Very cool. Growing over the walkway. Tell people you're going to watch your head. Good thing I'm not tall. Okay, I heard something. I'm walking off that waffle. Walking off the waffle. sit on this bench over here and listen to nature for a little bit. I don't think I stopped and listened to nature enough, so I'm gonna sit here and listen to some nature. Sitting here listening to some nature, it really does do your soul good. Get outside. Let me know what kind of outdoor activities you enjoy doing in the comments. Let's see if these bathrooms are open. Looks locked. Wow. Oh my God, they're heated. They're heated. Thank you, Jesus. Little toilet. Oh, I'm gonna stay in here for a few minutes. Oh, it's heated bathrooms. Thank you, Jesus. Kind of a cool place. Outdoor classroom, no picnicking. Environmental Learning Center. Saw a little plaque over here. The Job Corps, Treasure Lake Job Corps CCC, 1982. Very nice, and thank you for the heated bathroom. There's trash and recycling bin. Very cool. I'm gonna go see if that building's open. Only one way to find out. Some nice benches. Eagle Project by Anthony Dreadwater, May 2018. BSA Troop 4008, Elgin, Oklahoma. Same thing. Very nice. It is locked. We tried. Very cool.
I hope you enjoyed this look around. Until next time, bye for now.